started with animation.
Hello folks, this is a problem which bugged me for quite a while now, for a couple of weeks, and we're in March 2021. If you have the same problem, you'll really find a relief. If you don't have that problem, just forget this brief video. The problem was, and I posted it in the Arnold Answers forum in January, the Maya 2020.4 and Maya to Arnold problem. Hi there, I'm a Maya tutor, my YouTube channel, etc., and run the student version of Maya 2020.4 on a Windows 10 machine. Since the installation of Arnold in its new version, Maya to Arnold 4.2.0, several problems have occurred. The most obvious one: when I render the scene using the Arnold Render option, I get a black window and this error message warning Arnold Bifrost DLL was compiled against or whatever. I can render the scene with the IPR icon right next to the render settings icon. What is this error message about? And I got an answer from Stephen Blair. He said, get the latest Bifrost to use with Maya, Arnold, etc. I did, and the problem remained, and there was quite a discussion here, and I could not find an answer. Christoph Schädel, for example, said Bifrost needs an update. Autodesk is working on it. Well, here all of a sudden, Raoul Duke, I don't know any of them, they're nice folks really, wrote, had the same exact problem, tried everything and some more. Then I solved it by doing this. In the Arnold Render View window, click the View menu, choose Enable AUVs. Well, here it is. This is how it goes. And I answered, thank you so much. This is excellent and the first real solution. I'll post a super short video about it in my channel if you don't mind. And that's what I'm doing. And have a nice day. Bye-bye.